This app is a watch used for health maintenance exercise. You can use it at home during the. Even if you put your iPhone on a table far away, you can see the movement of the clock screen while exercising. Also, the passage of time is read aloud by voice. 10 seconds. When you open the reading watch, this is the first screen. You can see 3 clocks are lined up. There is a button at the bottom. This is the start button. Press this and the clock will start moving. After starting, it is easy to operate because it has only the stop button and reset button. The time tells you by voice, so you can know when time is coming without looking at the screen. 3 clock faces will appear on the screen and will move in steps of 1 minute so you can easily see the progress. Every 3 minutes, it moves to the next 3-minute screen with different colors, so you can easily understand up to 12 minutes. You can hear every 10 seconds for the first 5 minutes and 1 minute every 12 minutes. You can turn off the voice. When it reaches 12 minutes, the clock will stop and return to the first screen. 12 minutes. There is a speaker button at the bottom left of the screen. Jumps to the read aloud voice management table. Yellow is used to turn off the voice every 10 seconds, and orange is used to turn off the voice every minute. Touch the green part to turn it on and off. Touch it again to turn it on. The red color is used to mute all sounds at the same time. Press the question mark button at the bottom right of the screen to jump to the commentary list. There are videos on how to use this app and explanations about the contents of this app. You can also see information such as health methods for 1 minute while standing on one leg. I also posted a Q&A about this app. This will give you an idea of the features of the app. Explains Tom's app, the developer profile.